My name's Molly Sherman. I'm the Executive Director of the Carroll Technology and Innovation Council. It is Monday, August 25th. We are at the Carroll Nonprofit Center, home of the Carroll Technology and Innovation Lab.
Today we're doing our big ribbon cutting of that new lab. We had a great turnout. We're very proud of the work that we've been doing so far.
So our new lab is a space with multiple workstations for us to coach individuals one-on-one in a variety of digital skills. The lab will also be a space where we can host hybrid workshops and meetings as well. And then we are extending the lab services to the entirety of the Carroll Nonprofit Center building so that tenants can have access to computers and iPads for their clients as well.
I'm happy to say that Carroll County is one of the first few ones to open their lab to public. The funding for this comes from a federal fund, ARPA, SLFRF, and we're really happy to be able to create a public space for community members to engage and have access to digital tools and equipment.
It was also through the funding of our donors and our members as well. A lot went into making the lab happen, a lot of donating furniture to Habitat for Humanity and buying new to us furniture. We had to look for the right equipment for our lab and imagine the space and the type of work that we do so that it could be opening for our students who are somewhat tentative to learning digital skills and it be accessible to a variety of students as well.
We work with older adults, we work with veterans, you name it. We're happy to have them in our lab and get them ready for a new age of technology. Learners come in, use one of the 3 workstations that we have with brand new Dell PCs in them. We also have a brand new laptop cart equipped with 12 new laptops and 10 new iPads. The cart will be used for anybody who's in the Carroll Nonprofit Center for those organizations and their groups, and we'll also be able to have large-scale meetings in the lab and also in the space in the Nonprofit Center using all this equipment, like the new Meeting Owl 3 that we just got. We're really excited about that one.
The council is here to help you learn digital skills, and it's here to help discuss what technology is doing for us and how it's shaping our lives. Artificial intelligence is super interesting, both for how we do work, but also for how we live and create community and connect to each other. We want a lot of people a part of this conversation as we figure out what our world looks like as it becomes more digital, and we want a lot of people to be a part of it.